How to get paid with Shopify POS. You've finally done it. You've taken the plunge and decided to open up your very own brick and mortar store. Well, congratulations. Walking out here in the dark in the snow. The next step is to set up your payment system so you can start ringing up your sales. If you're using Shopify point of sale, you might be wondering how exactly you'll get paid. Well, here's a quick breakdown of how Shopify POS works and how you can get paid using this popular point of sale system. How does Shopify point of sale work? Well, Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that enables entrepreneurs to set up and run their own online stores. Shopify also has its own point of sale system, which allows store owners to accept payments in person. When you sign up for Shopify POS, you'll be given a card reader that plugs into your iPhone, iPad, or Android. You can use the Shopify point of sale app to ring up sales and accept payments from customers via credit or debit card. And of course, don't forget about cash. Well, you click the link in the description down below to speak to someone about a payments account now, if you want one. Getting paid with Shopify POS. Well, one of the great things about Shopify point of sale is that it's integrated with the rest of your Shopify account. See, this means that all of your sales data will be synced between your online store and your physical store, making it easier than ever to keep track of inventory and revenue. Hey, best of all, because Shopify POS is integrated with your Shopify account, payments will be deposited directly into your bank account, just like they would if someone had made a purchase on your website. Well, there's no need to set up a separate merchant account. All you need is a Shopify account, and you're ready to start accepting payments in person. Now that you know how Shopify point of sale works and how you can get paid using this popular POS system, it's time to start setting up your physical store. Well, with Shopify point of sale, you can easily accept payments from customers and have those payments deposited directly into your bank account. So, what are you waiting for? It's getting dark out here in the snow. Get out there and start selling. You click the link down below now. You can speak to a payments representative right away. This is the end of the video where I talk about nothing.